Welcome back to a brand new video from WEBA. Today we are going to show you how to update your smartwatch. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, I want to talk about why we should update our smartwatch and how to check if there is an update available. First reason, security issues. Sometimes there are security breaches that developers fix directly through updates. Second reason, they add new features that are important for your smartwatch or something fixed technical bug. So how do you update your smartwatch? First, your smartwatch must be linked to your phone. In my case, I have the HK9 Ultra Golden Edition. This watch is linked with Fit Pro, which is the native app. Now, if we are going to more settings right here, you will see several options. For example, options like find device or take photos. But the one that we are interested in is OTA update or firmware update. In this case, it's OTA update. We are going to check if there's a new version, and if you can see, it says there's no update available. This is the latest version. However, some watches do require updates and the app will show that it's loading and updating. Quick reminder, when updating, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery, ideally fully charged. Also, keep it close to your smartphone during the whole update process. Please don't let your phone or your watch turn off while the update is running. Avoid moving the watch out of the Bluetooth range. Don't press any button on the watch during the update. And if the app doesn't show any update, just close it and reopen it to check it again. In this case, we will try it again and nope, no updates. Let me repeat. What changes after the update? Well, sometimes new watches faces or background are added. Step tracking, sleep monitoring, or heart rate detection gets more accurate. Bluetooth connection improves, navigation into the menu feels smoother, and it often brings better app and notification compatibility. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please share, give us a like, leave a comment, and it's going to help us a lot to reach more people. That's for all now. I hope you take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.